My dear colleagues, thank you so much for attending today's webinar. It was such a great honor to give you information about my homeland of Uzbekistan, Central Asia and Caucasus. And if you have any questions about visas, border crossing in Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Turkmenistan, Tajikistan, or Caucasus countries of Azerbaijan, Armenia, Georgia, I and my team will be here to answer all your questions. We take care of your clients and we give them wonderful experiential experiences. And from the moment you contact us till the moment your travelers come back from experiential travel from the Silk Road, we take care of all the aspects of the travel. We create for you handcrafted, iconic itineraries based on your travel style, pace, and budget. And of course, we are here anytime to answer your questions. Anytime we're here to give you resources. And Silk Road Treasure Tours was always about giving wonderful care for our travelers. And one of you just mentioned today that Zulya, you are famous, or your company Silk Road Treasure Tours, famous because they have been in the Conde-Nast or Travel and Leisure and other magazines. From the day one, Silk Road Treasure Tours' main purpose was how we can be resourceful, how we can be helpful, so our guests can come back from their travels with amazing experiences. And when we take care of your clients well, and they come back to you for more business, so then you can come back to us and we can take care of more travelers for you. So please do not hesitate to contact me or my team at Silk Road Treasure Tours, and we will be here 24/7 for you. We educate you and your travelers, and your travelers relax, enjoy, and explore the legendary Silk Road countries and connect with people, visit to the legendary, magnificent places, and certainly they deserve this kind of care and exploration.